Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to log into your Facebook account automatically. It's pretty quick and easy, so let's jump right in. Now, the first thing that I would recommend doing is making sure the password for that Facebook account is saved to your device. So on your device, iPhone, Android, or computer, we can just search for the Passwords app. So just search for passwords on here and make sure that the Passwords app is on there. Oh, let me enter in that passcode real quick here. And then after I've done that, I can go to all, and I'm just going to search for Facebook. If you see Facebook on here, great, you have that saved onto your device. If you don't see that on there, either in the Passwords app or within Google Chrome, you can always add it just by going back out of here and then tapping on the little plus at the bottom right. And then on here, of course, you can title it Facebook, the username, you can put your email address, and then the password as well. So that's the first thing I would recommend doing, is making sure that password is saved onto your device. This makes it really easy to log in. However, there's another option to be able to automatically log in. So let's open up Facebook here, and you'll be able to see I'm not currently logged in, but if I hit continue, just like that, it will log me into my account without requiring the password. Where you're going to check first is to tap on the profile at the very bottom right, or it could be at the top right on your device. Let's scroll down from here, tap on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Settings. From here, you can see at the very top in Account Center is Password and Security. Let's tap See More in Account Center, and then let's scroll down to get to Password and Security. Now, from here, we want to go to your saved logins so that when we're in here, it will automatically log us into Facebook. So let's tap on Facebook here, and you're going to look to see if you are on this list, if your device is on this list, rather. Make sure that your iPhone is on this list, Android, computer, whatever. However, if it's not on this list, or it says something like you need to log in to continue, there is another easy option to be able to do this. To do it, we need to hop out of here, actually. And we need to go back to your general menu here. So the menu, when you tap on the menu button at the bottom right, and let's scroll down to the very bottom and hit log out, and then log out. Now, to be able to automatically log back into your account, it needs to be recognized as a safe device. If you already have your account on here and you can just hit continue, that's great. But let's say I'm going to tap on here and remove this profile from this device. So it won't have any recognition of whether I've logged into that account on this device. Now I'm going to enter in that login information. So let me just autofill that information real quick. Again, using the Passwords app that you just got. Basically, you can bring in that Passwords app and automatically autofill the email or phone number and the password. Now, when we hit login on here, it might ask for a two-factor authentication depending on how you have it set up. And after we've done that, we can go at the bottom right to the menu and then scroll down to Settings and Privacy and then Settings. And now from here, go back to See More in Account Center, and you should be able to go to your Password and Security and go to that saved login, and it will automatically save that. If it again doesn't save it, try to log out. You're basically prompting it to see if it will give you that option that pops up that says, do you want to save this login? So go back to the very beginning and choose to log out again. And you can see it says, save your login info. We'll save the login for Trevor Nace, so you won't need to enter it next time on your iCloud device. Just hit the save button and then log out. And just like that, you'll be able to see it will show me my profile and allow me to quickly log back in without needing that password. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you still have any questions. Thanks, guys.